Hi, hello, vanakkam. A warm welcome to the Healthy Cooking YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see the making of an iron-rich sambar using the vegetables Sundakkai and Avarakkai, also known as turkey berry and broad beans. The health benefits of these vegetables are plenty. Sundakkai or turkey berry contains iron, which treats anemia, treats hormonal imbalances, and hence regulates menstrual cycles in women. Antioxidants treats ulcers, intestinal gastritis, regulates insulin production, and hence helps to maintain a healthy body weight, aids digestion. Vitamin C boosts immunity and strengthens the defense mechanism of our body. Vitamin A for healthy looking skin and improves eyesight. Protein, which is good for heart health. It also contains a lot of dietary fiber. Avarakkai or broad beans also has the same health benefits along with copper and manganese nutrients beneficial for bone health. Let us now quickly get into the recipe. Take a cooker pan and add around 40 grams of Toor dal. Add a glass of water. Add few drops of oil, preferably gingelly oil. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Close the lid and let it boil using medium to high flame until the first whistle comes. Once you get the first whistle, let it simmer and boil for good 5 minutes. Meanwhile, let's take another pan and add 3 to 4 teaspoons of gingelly oil and let it get heated. Add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Let the mustard seeds crackle. Add half a teaspoon of asafoetida powder. Add chopped 1 medium-sized onion and 1 green chilli. Give a gentle stir. Add 2 tablespoons of tomato puree, or alternatively you can also add 1 medium-sized tomato which is finely chopped. Stir it gently. Now add a cup of the main ingredient Sundakkai. Mix it well and keep stirring it. Please ensure that the vegetable mix don't stick to the pan. The second main ingredient, avarakkai, can be added now. Mix all the vegetables really well. Add half a cup of tamarind infused water. Add 2 teaspoons of sambar powder. Add half a glass of water. Mix it well. Meanwhile, have a look at the cooked dal. Mash it in circular motions. The consistency of the cooked dal will look like this. Keep mashing it in circular motions for about few seconds. Once it is smashed well, the vegetable mix can be added to the dal and mix it well. Add salt according to your taste. Mix it well. Close the lid and let it boil for a couple of minutes. Finally, the delicious and healthy iron-rich sambar is ready to be served. Hope you found the video informative. If you have any comments, please let us know in the comment section below. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel to receive all the notifications. See you all in the next video with a new healthy recipe. Until then, stay safe and stay subscribed. Thanks for watching.